Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi RS3. In the competitive landscape of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi RS3 stands out as a formidable contender, blending exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As the latest addition to Audi's revered RS lineup, the RS3 exemplifies the brand's dedication to delivering uncompromising driving dynamics and refined luxury. Powering the 2024 Audi RS3 is a potent turbocharged 2.5-liter inline 5-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 394 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS3 offers blistering acceleration and precise power delivery. With its dynamic handling characteristics and sport-tuned suspension, the RS3 delivers agile performance and responsive handling, making it a thrill to drive on both the road and the track. The RS3's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi Sport suspension with adaptive damping and dynamic steering ensure exceptional ride comfort and precise handling, while the sedan's lightweight construction contributes to its nimble agility and excellent balance. The RS3 features high-performance brakes, offering confident stopping power and stability even under hard braking. Visually, the 2024 Audi RS3 exudes a sporty and aggressive presence, with its bold design elements and distinctive RS accents. Its exterior features a bold single-frame grille, enlarged air intakes, and dual-oval exhaust outlets, reflecting its performance-oriented character. The RS3 rides on 19-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to personalize the RS3's appearance, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the RS3 offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts sport seats with fine Napa leather upholstery, a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters, and ambient lighting. The RS3 is equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi RS3. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system. Additionally, the RS3 offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS3 offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the RS3 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.